Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Messenger no messages on your Messenger app. All you have to do, you just go to click here on settings, then you go to next window here and you just go down, then you click here on apps and it's going to take you to apps window and you just go down here to looking for Messenger app, then you just click here on Messenger and it's going to take you to next window here and then you just click here on for stop, then you click here on OK and you go down, then you click here on storage and it's going to take you to storage window. Just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data and you just turn off your phone and turn on it and it's going to work with you. So that's all. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and see you in next video about all Messenger app settings.